What is an API?
The previous user stands for Application Programming Interface. It allows different software to communicate, share data, and perform tasks. Many websites and apps use APIs to display weather updates, fetch maps, or show recent tweets. APIs follow rules that let you request information from them, much like ordering food at a restaurant. You make a request, and the API brings back a response.
Understanding API requests.
An API request is like sending a question or command to a service online. You specify what information you want by using a special web address, sometimes called an endpoint. Your request can also include extra details, known as parameters, to narrow down exactly what you need. The API responds with data, often in a format called JSON.
Simple tools for API requests. No code needed.
You don't need to be a programmer to make your first API request. Free tools like Postman or online sites like ReqBin let you interact with APIs just by filling in the right boxes. You paste the API's web address, choose the request type, such as GET, and click Send. The tool will display the response, making it easy to see the data.
Step by step. Making your first API request.
Start by finding a public API with open access, like the OpenWeatherMap API. Copy its sample URL. Open your chosen tool, paste the URL, select the request type, usually GET, and hit Send. Within moments, you'll receive data, often weather information, in an easy-to-read format. You did it. No coding required, just a few clicks and some curiosity.
Tips for exploring APIs safely.
Always review an API's documentation before you start. Some APIs need an API key, which is like a password. Keep your keys private. If you hit an error, double-check the endpoint and parameters. Try public APIs first to practice. Exploring APIs this way can unlock lots of information and open new possibilities, all without needing to write any code.